Ever found yourself drowning in the sea of scattered thoughts and ideas? Wondering how to streamline your creative process into a seamless flow of inspiration? Well, fret no more. Introducing Apple's Freeform app for Mac, your ultimate solution to harnessing creativity like never before. But how exactly can you unlock its full potential? Let's dive in and explore the magic together. Create a new board. In the Freeform app on your Mac, click the New Board button in the toolbar. To insert an item, click one of the tools in the toolbar. You can build your board by adding text, shapes or lines, photos or videos, diagrams, links, sticky notes, and other files, which will be addressed later in the video. Your board is saved automatically as you work. To name your board, click Untitled in the top left and enter a name. You can customize how boards appear, such as showing all your boards as icons in a grid or displaying in a list. Add a board to favorites. You can make a board a favorite, and then easily find it in favorites in the Freeform sidebar. If you don't see the sidebar, choose View, then Show Sidebar. In the Freeform app on your Mac, click a category in the sidebar other than favorites, then select the board you want to make a favorite. Choose File and Add to Favorites, or click the Favorite button on the left side of the board. You can remove a board as a favorite if you change your mind. Click the Favorite button so it's not shaded, or choose File and click Remove from Favorites. Add a sticky note. Click the Insert, Sticky Note button, then enter text. To change the color, text font, and more, select the sticky note, then use the formatting tools. Sticky Note Fill Inspector button. Change the color of a sticky note. Text Inspector button. Change the formatting for all text in a sticky note, including font style, size, alignment, and list style. You can use connector lines between a sticky note and other items. If necessary, click the Show Connectors button in the lower right corner. Click the sticky note, then drag one of the arrows up, down, left, or right to add a connector line to the other item. Add a shape or line. Click the Insert Shape menu button, then select a shape or line. You can scroll through the Shapes library, select a category on the left, or search to find the one you want to use. You can also use the Pen tool to draw your own shape. To change border thickness, color, and more, select the shape, then use the formatting tools. Add and format text. Click the Insert Text Box button, then enter text. To change text alignment, color, and more, select the text box, then use the formatting tools. Add a photo or video. Click the Insert Media button. Choose Photos or Videos, then select the photo or video from your Photos library to add it to your board. You can also drag a photo or video into your board from Photos, the Finder, or another app. To change the size, cropping, and more, select the photo or video, then use the formatting tools. Add a link. You can drag a link into your board from Safari or another app. To change, open, or refresh the link in your default browser, select it, then use the formatting tools. Add other files. Click the Insert Document button, then select the file you want to add. You can also drag a file into your board from the Finder or another app. To change or preview the file, select it, then use the formatting tools as told previously. Add a description to an item. Control-click an item. Choose Description, type an explanation of the visual content, then click Done. If you want to move something, drag items anywhere on the board to move it. Resize an item freely. Control-click the item. Then make sure the Constrain Proportions checkbox is unselected. Drag a selection handle on the top, bottom, or sides of the object, not a corner. Align multiple items vertically or horizontally. Select them all, choose Arrange, and click Align Objects, then choose an option. If you want to lock an item, select an item, then choose Arrange and click Lock. Here you go, the item is locked. Delete a board. Select one or more boards, then press Delete. When you delete a board, it's moved to the Recently Deleted folder. You can view and recover boards in the Recently Deleted folder for up to 30 days. Recover a recently deleted board. Control-click a board in the Recently Deleted folder, then choose Recover. Permanently remove a recently deleted board. Right-click a board, then click Delete in the dialog and it's permanently deleted. Now export your work. Choose File and click Export as PDF, then click Export. After you export a board as a PDF, you can save it in a different format. Open the PDF in Preview, choose File, then Export. Then choose an image format. And there you have it. Thanks for diving into the magic of Apple's Freeform app with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the creativity. And remember, with Freeform on your Mac, the possibilities are endless. Stay inspired, and until next time, happy creating.